Well, they run little boat boat, 5 mile cross mile farm. He developed lung cancer, stage 4, and very quickly became terminal. He felt that he was ready. He was an independent thinker and wanted quality of life instead of quantity. He wanted to be able to be conscious and say goodbye when his body was ready to go. Standing with my stepdaughter, who is a pediatric nurse practitioner, pulling all the capsules apart was a bit surreal because as a nurse, I think about healing people, but now I realize more and more I've learned how to also help them to pass when its healing is not available. And so I had to ask myself, was this the right thing to do? But my goal was to relieve his suffering, and he would have suffered in the next 3 to 4 weeks. As a nurse, I'm used to kind of getting into a role of going ahead and doing things and putting emotions aside, and I knew this was something that had to be done. He took it, it was in applesauce, and he scraped the bowl, and we had a really good laugh because he tended to do that in his regular life. He was very intent. He was ready, he was intent, and it was a very positive experience, very peaceful. I felt very relieved and joyful. Sad, but it had happened. It happened well. It had happened the way we thought it would happen. And having never experienced this before, I was very pleased that it had gone well for Joe. He was where he needed to be.